Good morning, students. You have done your first bi-monthly test. Hope you have written everything. Today I am going to start your next lesson. That is lesson number 2, addition and subtraction. What you are going to do? You are going to learn the chapter of addition and subtraction today. Done? Yes. In that, the first concept we have is, see here, before that, what is the symbol of addition? Addition is nothing but you are going as what? Plus. Plus is nothing but add. What is the meaning of add? Add is nothing but to combine or to join or to fix up. That is nothing but what? Addition. Done? Yes. So, in your previous classes you have studied this. It is very easy. There is nothing into that. The thing is, you have to do it very carefully. Yes. So the symbol for addition is add. And what is subtraction? Subtraction, the symbol for the subtraction is minus. See? Minus. Then in subtraction you are going to reduce the terms. What you are going to do? You are going to reduce the terms. Done? In addition you are going to add the terms. In subtraction you are going to reduce the terms. Now, please look at the board, the first heading. I have given you the form of ones, tens, hundred, thousand. It is in the form of place values, right? Like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, like that. Yes. Before that, I want to tell you, while doing addition or subtraction, you are going to start it from the right hand side. Where you are going to start? You are going to start it from the right hand side. You should not use, if you are going to do it from the left hand side, you will get confused. So please be perfect that you are going to start it from your right hand side. Then, yes. See, please look at the word. Now, if a number like 1, you can take any number, either 1 or 2 or 3. If that number is add up with 0, when it is add up with 0, you will get the same answer. If 5 is adding up with 0, you will get the same answer. If 100 is adding up with 0, you will get the same answer. When it is added up with 0, you will get the same number. That is the property of what? Addition. You will get many more properties in the next classes. So please look at the board here. In the ones place, this is like the place value, right? This is like your place values. In the ones place, you have what? 7 and 0. I told you when it is added up with 0, it is nothing but the same number. Done? Yes. Next, 1 and 7. 1 plus 7, 1 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After the 6, it is nothing but 7. Again 7. Now can you see 3 and 0? What you will get as answer? You will get 3 itself. Why? When it is added up with the 0, it is nothing but same number. Now again I have 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This method you are doing it in your previous classes. Now you are in the condition that by looking at the number you can tell what is 4 plus 5, what is 2 plus 3, or what is like that. You have to make your ability so that by looking at the number you are going to say directly instead of counting in the mind. Then see, in the ones place you got as 7, in the tens place you got as 7, in the 100 place you got as 3, in the 1000 place you got as what? 7. This is respect to the addition with respect to 2 digits number. If they have given 2 columns and 2 columns, we have one, or we can take it as a 2 digit number. Now see, when compared to the 3 digit number 1, 2, 3, you are going to start it from the right hand side. See, first you are going to do this addition to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. In the ones place you got as what? 9. Moving on for the 1000 place. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5 itself, because when it add up with the 0 is the same number. Plus 4, it is 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So again it is 9. Next, in 100 place we have 0 and 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 3, 5, 6, 7. 7. In 100 place we got as what? 7. Now coming for the 1000 place, look at the board for the 1000 place. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5. Yes. 5 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Then yes. So students, in addition, in some problems you will get carry. What is that carry? If you get around 17, like that, if you add 17, this 7 you are going to write and this 1 you are going to keep it as carry. In addition, you will get carry sums. In subtraction, you will get reminders, borrowing things. Okay, you are borrowing, you are taking one number from that carry message, you are giving a number to the next number. And yes, this is your first heading. As I have said, you are going to write it from the right hand side, you are going to start solving it from the right hand side. Next, the next heading, find the sum. What is the meaning of sum here? Sum is nothing but to add. Done? Sum is nothing but to add, or we can take it as total is nothing but to add. They have given two numbers. We will just arrange that numbers in the place where it comes. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 2, 5, 4. Also you can arrange it in the right hand side so that you feel very easy to do that. Okay. Yes. The next number I have 147. You are going to add up all these numbers. See, you are going to add all these numbers. So in the ones place I have 2 and 7. 2 plus 7 is nothing but 8 and 9. 9. Then at 10th place I have 5 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again it is 9. In 100 place it is like 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5. In the 1000 place you have nothing but what? 2. If you don't have anything, you have to consider it is what? 0. If you don't have anything, you have to consider this is what? 0. When a number that is added up to the 0 is nothing but the same number. Now look at the board. I have given 3. 1, 2, 3 in the second column. Again, write it in the ones, tens, 100, 1000 place. It is nothing but 1, 2, 0, 1, 4, 3, 7, 0, then 4000. 1, 0, 0, you will get as what? 1. 2 plus 7, 8, 9. See in the 100 place you have 0 plus 3, 3. Again 3 plus 0, again it is the same term as what? 3. Next in the 1000 place, this is nothing but 1000 place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Done. This is the problem you are going to do in your addition and subtraction. Please note down students that sum is nothing but to add, total is also nothing but to add. While doing addition, you are going to do it from the right hand side. The symbol for addition is plus and the symbol for subtraction is minus. In the next classes, we are going to study about the subtraction, and one more term. When a 0 is added up with any number, you will get the same answer. That is, when 2 is added up with 0, you will get 2. The next class, I am going to discuss the sum new concept. Please take care. Till then.